If you are a Linux gamer in 2025, you've probably asked this question: Nobara or Bazzite? One's built for power users, the other feels like a console disguised as PC. So which one actually deserves your install? Let's start with Nobara Linux. Built by Glorious Egro, it removes the headache from gaming setup. You get patched Mesa, Proton fixes, codecs, and driver tweaks right out of the box. If you want a plug and play Fedora gaming experience, Nobara has your back. Then there is Bazzite, the fast growing favorite of 2025. It's immutable, insanely stable, and updates just like the Steam Deck. It includes gaming tools, driver support, Waydroid, and a lockdown system that stays clean no matter what experiments you throw at it. Pick Nobara if you want flexibility, familiarity, and day one gaming support. Pick Bazzite if you want a console-like experience, minimal maintenance, and bleeding edge OS tech. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.